Hey, it's Jason at Hard Money Bankers with 5 creative ways to buy a property without any of your own money. Keyword being creative. Number 1, get a hard money loan or some sort of bank loan. If you need any sort of down payment, get a capital investor, a private investor to put up the difference. Number 2, get some sort of cash partner to put up the money on the property. Maybe they put up all the money, you do all the work, you split the profits. It's kind of a good deal all around. Number 3, some sort of seller credit or seller holdback, either for the whole thing or for the partial amount, just to cover your contribution that you need. Number 4, some sort of credit card, HELOC, line of credit. It may not be the best terms, but it could be a way to get into a property by using the bank's money on a particular deal, and you pay it off when you flip the house and when you sell it. Number 5, cross collateral or securing some other types of assets. Like 20% of the deals we do at Hard Money Bankers has some sort of cross collateral where the borrower doesn't want to put up any money, so they post a rental property or free and clear property, and instead works out great.